back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is banana dessert for Barb. So let's get started with our ingredients. I have some Bisquick, some milk, honey, banana, and the most important ingredient, a spoon. Let's start out with our mixing container and our banana. Make some room to work here. There we go. Make sure you drop half of it on the floor. As you can tell, I'm not a chef. I'm just making dessert for someone. Bananas in. Honey. Doesn't take a lot. That would be a tablespoonful. And if you want to find the complete recipe, it'll be on my website. And on the YouTube, it's right down below where it says more. On my website is jamestdds.blogspot.com. And while I'm thinking of it, right in the lower right-hand corner right now is a subscribe button. And I'm working to get my first 1,000 subscribers. So if you would subscribe to this, I would greatly appreciate it. After I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away presents to people, first 1,000. And hit that bell so when I drop a new video, you'll get notified. So my next ingredient to put in is going to be some cocoa. I was just kind of stirring it up a little bit. So I'll put some cocoa in. And then lastly, we're going to put in some milk. Put the milk back in the refrigerator, keep it cold. So when Barb wants her coffee, she'll have cold milk for her nice hot coffee. Put it in a blender. If you have this kind or you have a regular blender, works just the same. I like to put mine on a towel, keeps it quiet. Put it in here. And then it gets kind of thin. You can double check it, see what it looks like. Looks good. Now, you can refrigerate this, or you can throw it in the freezer. Just put a lid on it, put it in a jar of some sort. You can pour this right in a regular glass. If you want to put saran wrap over, you could, but you can just put it in a regular glass. Then put it in the freezer. Then put it in the freezer. We'll start over. Ready, set. Put it. Ready, set. Then put it in the freezer. Doesn't fit. There we go. Ready, set, then just put it in the freezer. That's the show for the day. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your dessert.